Hey, Veronica. Hey, I have some good news for you.
Good news. You gonna stop asking me for my seconds?
Haha, very funny. No, we actually decided to bump your pay and we're going to be placing you as a salaried employee instead of hourly.
What's the catch?
There's really no catch. The only thing is that salaried employees work typically an average of about 60 hours a week just because of like the on-call schedule and all that. But other than that, there's really no catch.
So you want me to work more hours for less money?
Less money. Girl, didn't you just hear me say I'm giving you a raise to 85,000? That's a $15,000 pay bump.
Right. But if you break it down, if I'm getting paid my current salary, which is $33 an hour, I make about $70,000 a year. With your raise at $85,000 a year divided by 3,160 hours, which is what 60 hours a week comes out to, I'm getting paid 27-ish dollars an hour. So you want me to take a $6 pay cut and work more hours? No, thank you. I'll stay hourly.
Veronica, I'm confused. There's a sort of prestige that comes with being a salaried employee. I thought you'd be excited.
Prestige is a code word for more work. And no, I'm good. Thank you.